Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be doing an updated brow tutorial, but I'll be using just drugstore products. You guys have been requesting me to do this video, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm using on my eyebrows now is this Covergirl Pomade. I really like it because it doesn't dry and it's really creamy. So for the brush, I'm going to be using this one by Benefit. It's my favorite brush ever, and that's the only thing that's not drugstore, so sorry about that. Anyways, I start off by brushing my brow hairs and making sure everything is ready. So the first thing I do is draw a line on the bottom of my eyebrow, and I pretty much just follow the natural shape I already have because I don't want to overdraw them or make them too thick, you know. And I'm also going to be doing the same thing on top of my eyebrow. I'm doing exactly what I did on the bottom of my eyebrow, and like I said, just make sure you follow your natural shape and you're gonna be all good. So after that, I go ahead and start filling in my eyebrow. I do start from the end because I don't want to start from the front of my eyebrow, just because I don't want the front to be too dark, you know. So that's why you should start from the end of the eyebrow, and that way the front of your eyebrow could look more natural, you know. And now I'm just going back with my spoolie to make sure everything is good, and I'm just going back to brush my brow hairs because, you know, sometimes there's product left on the brow and that is not cute, so make sure you brush those hairs. So to make my eyebrows look more natural and more smooth, I go ahead and brush my hairs going upwards like how I'm doing it right now, and this is gonna give you that fading effect, and it's just gonna make everything look more natural, and it's gonna give you like those Instagram brows, you know. So to clean everything up, I'm going to be applying a tiny bit of concealer on my brow bone, and the brush I use, it's so old that I don't even know what it's called, but I do remember it's from Nyx Cosmetics. I'm not sure if it's still even like on sale or anything. But anyways, going back to the brows, I'm going to be cleaning up the bottom of my eyebrow with some concealer. I like doing this part with concealer because it just makes me have that sharp and clean line that we love to have, you know, because we love a clean eyebrow and a sharp brow. So to blend the concealer, I'm going to be using this brush right here, and it's by BH Cosmetics, and it came like in a set of brushes, but I'm just going to be blending the bottom of my brow because we want that concealer to go away. So for the top of my eyebrow, I'm actually going to be using foundation, and the reason I use foundation is because it's easier to blend and it looks more natural. The brow powder I use is by Ulta Beauty, and I use the dark eyeshadow, like the dark shade, and I use this brush. It's like an angled brush, and I just go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I feel like doing this makes a huge difference. It makes your eyebrows look fuller, and it also makes them look a little bit darker. So I am all done with brow number 1, and now moving on to brow number 2, and I'm pretty much just going to be doing the same exact thing. I'm going to be drawing a line under my eyebrow and on top as well, and then just filling it in. To set my eyebrows, I'll be using the NYX Eyebrow Gel, and I really like this. I've been obsessed with it. I usually use like clear brow gel, but this is bomb. I do highly recommend it to you guys. I love it. So to finish everything up, I'm going to be adding some highlight to my inner corners and my brow bone as well. But once I finish doing all that, this brow tutorial is complete. I hope you guys liked it. It was a very highly requested video, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.